Welcome back to Two Juice Garage. Today's the part 4 on the mini build. So today, all the NRG stuff that I ordered came in. So we have a brand new NRG steering wheel. We have an NRG hub, quick release, and the NRG adapter for the mini. So I've been waiting a long time to replace this wheel and get a proper race wheel in here. So let's get going. So first thing we can do is attach the quick release to the actual steering wheel and connect all the horn button stuff. So this goes on here like that, and then this little piece will be mounted to the actual car. So this is what will stay on the car. But in the meantime, we can attach this, and then we can get to the car where we can start finalizing everything. So now that we got the factory nuts that hold on the bolts in shipping, we can attach the horns. So by connecting the same color wires, when the quick release is pushed down, the connections will ground pretty much and complete the circuit, and that will sound your horn, which is pretty cool. So all you gotta do is attach these like so. Boom. And you just take the needle nose, give it a squeeze. Just like that. And you gotta make sure they're good to go. Both locked in. Perfect. Then we can just feed that through, just like that, to the front side of the wheel. So the energy steering wheel is done, but that's not the only upgrades we're doing today. So we also are replacing the stock cold air intake with an upgraded version. It takes up a lot of space, it's really heavy, and we could definitely get a little bit more horsepower out of the engine. So let's start on that. Cold air intake fully done, hooked up, ready to go. Thanks for clicking on this video. Consider liking and subscribing to see the new content that's coming soon. So the new content will be a front splitter that I handmade, and race harnesses and a roll bar. So that stuff is really cool and will be the last steps in getting this car onto the track and ready for autocross. The BMW Club of Massachusetts starts in about a month. That's what I am in. BMW and Mini are pretty much the same company, so they let Minis race with them as well. Most days are autocross days and some are track days. So it's really exciting that we're getting closer to that date. And yeah, stay tuned to see that.